So just in case nobody believed me, in case nobody believed I failed, I am sorry to tell you that you've failed your motorcycle theory test. And there's the pass mark is 43 for the top one. I scored 41. Pass mark 44. I scored 45. So that was the 7th of January. This one is the 21st of February. (47 out of 50). So I passed that bit. 43 out of 75. Failed that by 1. So, as I said, not the end of the world. It just made me work harder. So, fast forward, 10th of March. Congratulations, you've passed your motorcycle theory test. 50 out of 50 for the multiple choice, and 53 out of 75 for the hazard perception. So, vast improvement. So it looks like this year will be the year that I get out on my 500. It's been a long drawn out process, but it's worth it. Extra experience in anything didn't hurt anybody. So I'm away out for a ride in the MT. So hey folks, so what'd you make of that? I passed my theory test. I'm way happy. Way happy. I'm so happy I could pee my pants. But I won't. So I went straight up to this place. So here I am, LP School Bride at Harley's Rider Training. This is where I done my CBT a year past August ago. And I won't be sitting in a sinus terrain this time. I'll be on one of their MT-07s. I've seen a grey one. Looks very familiar, wee MT-07. They look weird with L plates on them. 700s with L plates. So I'll be back here in just under a week for a 3-hour lesson. Can't wait. So there we go. The wheels are in motion again. So I can't wait to jump on an MT-07 hopefully. Although I noticed there's a couple of older Suzukis sitting at the back there. So whatever and anything, I've got my own bike anyway, so it doesn't matter. So on my way to Dunblane. I've been fighting with Calimoto for quite a while now. Let's look and see how long I've been out. An hour and 23 minutes. There's the Wallace Monument up there. Just stopped for a little break. And I'm running out of daylight with the looks of it. So here I am at Dunblane, folks. This is the what used to be the Hilton, Dunblane Hilton, Dunblane Hydro, or something like. You think I should know? I actually had my wedding reception in here back in 2004, and it is a lovely building. It is just beautiful, as was my lovely wife. As my lovely wife. Why does this phone not work with my gloves on? Nothing works today, it's annoying. So this post box has been painted gold by Royal Mail to celebrate Andy Murray, gold medal winner, London 2012 Olympic Games, tennis men's singles. It's actually got braille below it, which is pretty cool. So no, I'm quite gutted. I thought it'd be a bit more shinier. Fuck, we'll get a sticker on it anyway, shall we? It's a little Die Hard sticker on the side of that there, discreetly. Now I have to go that way. Oh shit, I can't go down that way. Bollocks. Oops. Confusing motorists as if they're not confused enough. So, besides the Calimoto playing up, my GoPro's been playing up all day. It's been a nice ride. It's good to get out. So I'll peace out here, folks. Just in case the camera dies on me again. So take it easy. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Cheers.